Hello! We are here at Alton Towers today, here to check out Oktoberfest. It's really exciting. I've got Ed with me.
Hello.
So very exciting. You've quite. Have you done Oktoberfest last year?
Yeah, I've done it this year already as well. It's better.
I'm excited to try some of the food options. I quite like I'm a bit of a foodie, so. We're gonna go. Started queue times looking fairly busy this morning. We're gonna go try and start in X sector today. Do Oblivion, which I didn't get to do last time, and do Smiler to wake up with. So we'll catch you after X sector. We just got off one of the best rides on Smiler I think I've ever had.
Number one still. That's better than Icon.
That ride was a really good case for that. So we got perfect duel on both lift hills. It was smooth, it was enjoyable.
Intense?
Yeah.
It's always intense.
We need to ride it again to see if it moves up.
It's just relentless. It's brilliant. I love it.
It's definitely top 4, I just don't know where. That you made a really good case for that to be number 1 though.
Yeah.
Like those last inversions come out of nowhere. And when you get a perfect duel, it's amazing.
So good.
We're even going to do a re-ride on that because it's single rider queue, you get straight on. Top tip, single rider queue, you get straight on.
Yeah, it's 90 minutes right now and we just walked straight on, so...
And yeah, Ed got straight onto the back row, I got straight onto the front row. Amazing. You can either look at that again or Oblivion. If Oblivion's on a high queue, we're going to do that again. But yeah, we'll catch you after we finish X sector. Right, we had a change of plan. We've skipped Oblivion because the queue's on 60 minutes and although I want to ride it, I don't want to ride it after a 60-minute queue. Smiler was good. I got the back row this time. You was like me.
I was second, yeah. Second though.
It was
fun. It was really good.
I'm interested to see it compared to Nemesis. I'm also interested to ride Nemesis, which is my current number 2. Former number 1 after Icon. But then Icon night rides blew me away. Yeah, Nemesis just reopened, so we're going to do that next and then Galactica.
Before it breaks.
Because the queue times down here are fairly short, so we'll catch you after Forbidden Valley and then we're going to head back to the rest of the park. We just got off a nice 2 rides. Well, Nemesis was amazing.
Yeah, it was really good. It was running so smooth. Not that it's rough normally, it's just like, it was just noticeably smooth. Yeah. I don't know why.
You a big fan of Nemesis?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah. And then we got on Galactica, which was
good as well.
Yeah, Gladska's a nice and like it's a nice and unintrusive ride, like kind of thing.
Yeah, that's a good word for it.
Like it's very enjoyable. I'm debating Nemesis being number 1 again. I don't think it is. I think Icon's still holding on to it, but that was a very good ride on Nemesis. We disagree that it's the best.
No, I say Smiler's better.
The Smiler's running really good today. Hopefully get some more rides in later.
Yep.
We're going to go check out the Rollercoaster restaurant for lunch, and then make our way back over to the end of the park and do the coasters over there. Catch you after lunch. We are back after food. We had food at the Rollercoaster restaurant. I had a chicken burger. It was tutto bene. Oh, you had the
gyros, yeah, they were good.
How was it?
Huh?
The fries you had got really nice.
Yeah, they had like chicken on. They were very good.
Looked like a great time.
Just on Spinball, just now.
That was amazing. It was like,
yeah,
it was riding a bit better than Galactica. It was really good. There's a sign. See some construction for what's going to be terrifying at Scarefest. I'll be crying in the corner. We are going over to do the Smiler again because it's low queue times, and then finally get that ride on Oblivion. But Spinball's been good. We'll catch you after Oblivion. We just got off
Oblivion?
yeah, Oblivion.
Yes.
We just got off Oblivion. Currently making our way over to the Wicker Man. But while we're over there, we've got a back-to-back ride on the Smiler, which was Smiler's fantastic.
Yeah, and
it's a great time.
Got a perfect duel as well.
Yeah, it was so.
On separate trains.
Separate trains. If we could have, I think we could have high-fived if it was close enough. But
yeah.
like that was pretty special.
Yeah.
And then we got another ride on together. The operations today have been fantastic.
Yeah, it's like dual like every other ride.
It's like it's flying. The queue times seem fairly low today. Like the only one ride that seems to be having issues is Rita and 13. 13 with high queue times and Rita with downtime. Hopefully we get on them today. It's not a massive thing. It's pretty nice to get onto everything. Oblivion's still really, really good. I still really enjoy Oblivion. How are you finding all the Oktoberfest feeling, by the way?
It's good. It's better. There's more of it than last year, which is really good.
It seems they've done a better job here with it than Thorpe Park, I'll be honest.
I haven't seen Thorpe one this year, so I don't know.
So Thorpe's got some like little huts where it's got like a proper little festival in the middle of like, the grounds.
We haven't really explored it today yet, have we?
No, we're too busy doing the rides. Speaking,
it's the second best in the park, easily.
Yeah, for you?
Yeah, definitely.
I'd say Nemesis is best, second best at Smiler. But we're going to go do the GCI Woody here, which is of course the Wicker Man. So we will catch you after the Wicker Man. we just got off of a alright ride on Wicker Man.
I lost its edge, unfortunately.
I don't know. So, me and Edwin did Oakwood a few weeks ago, and then I did we also did Blackpool not long afterwards, and like
Phobia and Nash are better.
Yeah, like I don't want to say it, but like Megaphobia is the best buddy in the UK. I strongly believe that.
I think so.
Nash is fantastic because the pops of airtight you get on the double down.
Although kill you though.
Although it's brutal and like crack your back, it's great. But Wicker Man just seems to be like losing its charm. Like,
didn't really have the same punch it did years ago.
No, it seems to be running a bit slower today. Maybe you mentioned it was running slower, didn't you?
Yeah.
This is way quicker.
Yeah.
We're currently speeding our way over. Nice Oakwood thing there. Speeding our way over to 13, which is currently walk on. So hopefully we can get on that super duper quick, and then try and get on Rita because it's on 10 minutes, and then do a closing area in X sector on the Glory Smiler, which has been fantastic today, and maybe a Oblivion ride, but probably Smiler. So we'll catch you after Dark Forest and when we're legging it over to Smiler. We got off at 13. We went down to the woods today, not alone because I've got a friend. So I survived.
It was fun. It was running good.
Better than Wicker Man, more air than it. The pre-drop is terrifying where it weighs you. Yeah, it's really scary.
Yeah, I'm never ready for it, to be honest.
There are a couple of idiots on the back row, but we'll not talk about them. But yeah, it was a really, really good ride in 13.
Yeah.
You are feeling the trims though, definitely.
Yeah.
We're gonna go do Smiler. Well, we're just gonna go sit in X sector to close it off, because Smiler's been running fantastic all day.
Yeah.
And then
It's never not.
and then Oblivion as well. Smiler's definitely moved up my ranking. I've dropped to Megaphobia 1 and sorted it with Smiler, so yeah. Catch you after X sector towards the end of the day. What a ride that was! That was. What do you think?
It's nearly dark now.
Yeah.
The near night ride on that was really good. It's gone fast.
That was definitely like a dusk ride, I'd say.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Nemesis, you've gone down again to number 3. Because that was the best ride I've ever had on the Smiler.
It's a worthy one as well.
That was fantastic. That, like, I'll put it at number 2. It doesn't beat Icon Night Ride for me. Edwin disagrees.
Yeah.
You're quite
We
right.
got Scarefest coming up, so that's...
Ooh, could it be a new number 1?
Maybe.
But yeah, it's been a fantastic day here at Alton Towers. Have you had a nice day?
Yeah, really nice.
Thank you for coming along. Great to have you again. Hopefully we do something again soon. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I will see you guys next time for Fright Nights and Scarefest.